Hey guys, welcome back and happy Thursday. So today's day trading recap, I'll talk about two tickers I traded, which really didn't amount to much. So I think I'm going to do what I did yesterday, or at least I'm going to wait for something like yesterday. If you remember in yesterday's recap video, we were just slightly red. And I was like, I would like to do a little bit more trading. And what I think I'm going to wait for some of these swing trades, some of these meme tickers we've been talking about to start bottoming it out and buy those. And that's exactly what I did. So I went ahead and accumulated these tickers and then sold on like a 2-3% pop. I did get fairly aggressive here. So yes, I made $800 yesterday, but I got pretty aggressive. So one of my sizes was, I think, one of my biggest sizes ever, and that was on coin right here. So this was a $42,000 position size. It went up 1.36%, and then we closed it out. So just like, let me show you guys this for a second. I did a little trade here, a little bit trade here, and then it started really accumulating here. This one I never sold, so I really accumulated here. We popped up and I started exiting this position. So this was a really, really nice trade. We had really big support coming up and a great 5-minute setup. So I really like the ability to kind of edge into your trades yesterday with the large caps overall selling off. I mean, we had Facebook down 25%. We had PayPal also down like 25%. It was a bloodbath out there. Whew. But I noticed a lot of these meme swing trades we've been looking at just didn't sell off anymore at one point. So I was like, man, these are some really good floors we're seeing. So today I'm actually down $30 at the moment. Who knows if I'll do more trading. I'll obviously want to come out with the monthly recap for January. And by the way, if you guys want to check out these trades, just go to my profile, tradejournal.co/Winkler, and you can check out all my portfolios here. But getting back here, yeah, BCDA and ZEV, we didn't really have good trading opportunities today. I would like to do a bit more trading, but I'm just not sure. I'll keep my charts open and see. Maybe we'll have some good 5-minute support on the swings in mid and large caps. So other than that, I don't know if I'll force it. I am on a little bit of a green streak here, but that's super irrelevant, and I don't really like to be focused on the P&L. I just really like to be focused on what's in front of me. So let's just go quickly to BCDA and see what this ticker was up to. This is the one I'm down 170 on. Overall, pretty ugly ticker. It's a bit in a backside trend with a lot of resistance on the way up. Biotech, 17 million shares outstanding and 35 million market cap, with actually pretty decent sounding catalysts here, but just tons of resistance on this ticker. Every time it pops up, it instantly dies. You could see this pop here instantly died, this pop instantly died, and I was somehow, sometimes you're always on the wrong side of a ticker. That's what happened to me today on BCDA. It had these quick front side moves. I would buy into that first pullback, or maybe even you could argue the second pullback, and it just never had continuation. See, quick move, first pullback, no continuation. Quick move, I guess maybe first or second pullback, no continuation. So I was always able to get out for a small scratch, but it was just kind of like annoying. It was like, why don't we get any momentum? So BCDA, I personally thought was a really frustrating ticker, and it was one of those tickers I noticed the more I traded it, the worse my P&L looked. So it was just one of those that at one point I was just like, I'm done trading this ticker because I'm always chasing. ZEV, a little bit different here. Not the nicest price action either. Let's actually go to the daily. Also on a backside overall trend with a lot of resistance here. Machinery company, 75 million shares outstanding, so that's pretty high, and 400 million market cap, so that's also a little bit on the higher end with some catalysts coming out. Looks like some collaboration news. Those are usually pretty good catalysts. And then going into the 5-minute, you'll see this one also has these nasty spikes and then sell-offs, but lately it's been kind of forming a bit of a wedge here, which was a little bit nicer to trade in terms of price action. You can kind of get a little bit better idea for how you want to trade it. So we had, big move here, pulled back, another big move, and then I started buying into this pullback. The problem was actually this first entry, I thought we might get a breakout here. I quickly placed it. It didn't look like a breakout. I removed my limit order, but instantly I was already filled, and I was like, so I had to sleep through this, which was kind of stressful. But then I averaged into here a little bit more because it was small size, and then I got this move to the upside, but it just wasn't that great because my initial entry was like at 22, like the worst spot ever. Closed here, did another trade, and I could have maybe done this third trade right here, but to be honest, I kind of thought it was a little bit done after this rejection. I don't know. It's just like really slow price action, and it's a little bit hard to really edge into these tickers and get resolution because you're just holding on to it, and then you have a ticker like BCDA, which more sells off very aggressively. So At least this one has pullbacks that actually end up, having some resolution. But yeah, tricky day. I think if ZEV does break here at 5.4 or something like that, I would keep watch of it because it could run to $6 fairly quickly. Volume's a little bit shaky, but it is a larger stock in general, so it's not really a classic small cap. It's more of a mid cap, I would argue. But yeah, maybe worth watching especially as the volume here spikes. In terms of my swing trade portfolio, give a check on that if you want. Right now I'm pretty much out of all my trades except space, looking to reaccumulate, just waiting for a bigger sell-off overall because right now I feel like we could at least see a triple bottom on them. So I'm going to keep watching the markets while I get started on my monthly recap. So hopefully I get that out today. So I'll see you then for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick little recap video. Nothing too crazy happened today. It's a lot of just sitting on your fingers. So I'll see you guys then first thing tomorrow morning. Don't forget to drop a like on the way out. Consider subscribing if you're new. And like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao.